Human life cannot sustain without oxygen. The oxygen that we breathe in is carried by blood to every part of the body, to every organ, to every tissue, down to every cell by a network of blood vessels. This network is composed of blood vessels, veins, arteries, and finer capillaries that carry oxygen to every cell in our body. Now, the cells that are not in direct contact with a blood vessel can still receive oxygen by the process of diffusion. But these cells have to be at a distance of 1 to 2 millimeters in order for diffusion to occur, which, if you think of it, is a very short distance. So this brings up a very important question. How do cancerous tumors grow to such incredibly large sizes, like 2 centimeters, 5, 10, or even more? Tumors, as we know, occur when cells grow and divide out of control. So you have a mass of cells that divide and generate more cells, which further divide and generate even more cells, thereby growing the size of the tumor. So logically, when the tumor is growing, the cells in the interior of the tumor should be deprived of oxygen. They should be low on oxygen. And that is indeed the case. The tumor environment is described as hypoxic, which means it's low on oxygen, and hence the tumor cells are constantly deprived of oxygen. And in order to overcome such a situation, the tumor cells secrete some molecules known as angiogenic factors. These factors are, when they are released, they are recognized as signals by nearby blood vessels, and in response to these signals, the blood vessels initiate a process of angiogenesis. Angio, meaning blood vessels, genesis means creation. So as the name suggests, angiogenesis is the process of creation of new blood vessels. And now these newly created blood vessels penetrate into the tumors, supplying blood and thereby oxygen to the tumors, which helps them to survive, grow, and spread. So why is this process of angiogenesis so important? For two main reasons. One, because it marks the transition of a small, harmless, or benign tumor, as we call it, into a large, harmful, malignant tumor. Because once the tumors have a short blood supply, they have a constant oxygen supply, which means they can survive, grow, and spread. And second, because a lot of these angiogenic factors which initiate the process of angiogenesis are targets of anti-cancer therapy. So drugs are designed to eliminate these factors which can stop the process of angiogenesis, which means no new blood vessels, no oxygen supply, and hence no tumors.